Hi everyone, this video is going to be about applying concealer. To start off, what is concealer? It's basically like a foundation. It's got a variety of finishes of different kind of coverages. Some are more sheer, some are brightening, some are really thick coverage. It all depends on what kind of brand it is and what kind of finish they want it to have. So concealer is often used to brighten or to cover something that your foundation can't cover because of the higher coverage it has. So first of all, you can use it to conceal your dark under eyes. In this case, the concealer usually has a lighter color or even some kind of color correcting to it, like red or salmon color. Then second of all, it's used to kind of lighten the skin to create a contouring effect where the lighter parts of your face are going to come forward and then the darker parts are going to stay back. Last of all, you could use it to conceal blemishes or kind of spots that have a different color that you don't really want to be there. In that case, you would use a concealer that's more the color, like the shade of your foundation, just to have it match, and instead of it bringing forward, just melt into the skin and make it kind of invisible, which is really hard if it's actually like a bump that sticks out. Then just as an extra, it's also often used as like an eyeshadow primer, which I've talked about in a previous video. So that's kind of old news. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was interesting, that you learned something from it, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!